Is your YouTube TV stream buffering or not showing in the best quality? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to adjust video quality to ensure a smooth and optimal viewing experience. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Start playing a video. Pick any on-demand video or live TV stream that you want to watch. Step 3. Access video settings. While the video is playing, click the settings icon, gear symbol, in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Adjust video quality. In the settings menu, you'll find an option called Video Quality. You can toggle between Auto, which adjusts quality based on your internet speed, or choose from a fixed resolution option, 720p, 1080p, etc., for a more stable quality. Step 5. Check your internet speed. If you're experiencing buffering or low-quality video, it could be due to a slow internet connection. To resolve this, make sure you have a stable connection of at least 3 megabits per second for HD or 25 megabits per second for 4K streams. Bonus tip: if you want the best quality and have a fast internet connection, select the highest resolution option available. If you're on a mobile device, choosing a lower quality can save data usage while streaming. Enjoy smoother streaming with better quality. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your YouTube TV experience. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.